You know, ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, or AI, cannot run without water. Every day, this technology consumes a huge amount of clean water. But how? Today, whenever we need any information, we first rely on AI chatbots like ChatGPT. In an instant, it provides answers and makes complex topics easier to understand. But behind this speed lies an invisible reality, a silent story of resource consumption called water. Recently, a BBC report highlighted a statement from OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. According to him, a single conversation with ChatGPT uses about 1/15 of a teaspoon of water. It may sound very small, but when nearly 1 billion messages are processed every day, this amount multiplies significantly. As a result, when we add the usage of other AI models, the water demand of the entire artificial intelligence industry is gradually becoming a global concern. However, there are differing opinions about this estimation. Professor Xiaolei Ren from the University of California's Computer Science Department believes that these figures mainly apply to smaller or limited models. His research shows that medium-sized AI models, like GPT-3, may use around half a liter of water for every 10 to 50 queries. So where exactly is all this water being used? The answer lies inside AI infrastructure. First, it is used to cool down powerful processors or chips in data centers. These chips generate extreme heat during operation, and to control that heat, liquid cooling systems are used, where water plays an essential role. Second, water is also used in the process of electricity generation required to run AI systems. From power plants to industrial cooling systems, water is deeply involved in the entire energy production chain. Even the semiconductor factories that produce AI chips consume massive amounts of clean water. As a result, one thing becomes clear: while artificial intelligence continues to advance,
the pressure on natural resources is also increasing. And this raises a critical question. In the future, will AI technology itself intensify the global clean water crisis?